Since 1914, you've always been able to count on Stop and Shop for savings. And today, we're still helping you with savings on items like
14-ounce Pledge furniture polish, original or lemon, $2.49. Package of 10 Glad trash bags, 30-gallon capacity, $1.29. 16-ounce Planters peanuts, can or jar, $2.49.
Stop and Shop, where the savings have kept going for 75 years.
This is paint, Frank.
It's not paint. It's a magical sheath which simulates a dazzling head of hair.
The fabulous Baker Boys finally found their ticket to success.
Hey, where's your dress?
What, do I look like I'm naked?
Her name is Susie Diamond.
I figured you for jockeys, Frank. You sucks?
Together, they've hit the road.
This is not possible. You can't bring a dog. It's possible.
And only good times lay ahead. The fabulous Baker Boys, rated R.
Starts Friday, October 13th.
Introducing Pepperidge Farm's new snack. Snack, 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 snack mix. With so many tantalizing tastes, it's 7 different kinds of delicious. This calls for a Pepperidge Farm American Collection cookie, bursting with nuts like macadamia and chunks of chocolate. If you think they're big on the outside, wait till you taste the inside.
The magic is waiting for you at the all-new 118th edition of Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey's Circus. See a wondrous array of the extraordinary and the impossible, the Flying Vasquez, the Whirling Wheel of Death, and Tahar, the Moroccan Master. See the greatest show on earth at Boston Garden, October 11th through 22nd. Buy your tickets at Boston Garden box office, any Ticketron outlet, or charge by phone. A portion of the proceeds will be donated to United Way. It's everything you remember and more, the greatest show on earth. Don't miss it.